Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on rounding off money. These days many countries do not have 1 and 2 cent pieces because they are inconvenient to use. Hence, the 5-cent piece is the smallest denomination. So, when buying goods at any shop, the final bill is rounded up or down. The following rules are helpful in this regard. A bill that has the digits 1, 2, 6 or 7 in the hundredths column is rounded down. A bill that has the digits 3, 4, 8 or 9 in the hundredths column is rounded up. Let's see how these examples work. These rules will help us to do these following problems. Round off each of the following amounts to the nearest 5 cents. So the first one is $4.31. You can see the 1 is in the hundredths column. So the rule says that we round down. In other words, this is rounded down to $4.30. Number 2, $6.72. This is rounded down to $6.70 because if you have a 2, you round down. $8.56. This is rounded down to $8.55 because if you have a 6, you round down. And $9.37. This is rounded down to $9.35 because if you have a 7, you round down. Now let's see some examples where you round up. Round off each of the following amounts to the nearest 5 cents. $2.43, because you have a 3, you round up, so this is rounded up to $2.45. $3.74, because you have a 4, you round up, this is rounded up to $3.75. $9.38, you have an 8, so you round up. This is rounded up to $9.40. And $4.79, because you have a 9, you round up. This is rounded up to $4.80. Let's have a look at a typical problem now that we might encounter at the shops. Calculate the final bill to the nearest 5 cents. That is, what you have to pay in the end. John bought 3 kilograms of carrots at $2.47 per kilogram and 4 kilograms of grapes at $3.72 per kilogram. Calculate the exact cost for both the carrots and grapes. After that, round off the final bill to the appropriate amount. So with respect to the carrots, we have 3 kilograms and it's $2.47 per kilo. So when we do that multiplication, we get $7.41. I haven't shown the working or the carrying or whatever here, or the trading, because you know how to do that. So that's $7.41 for the carrots. Now we haven't done any rounding here because it says calculate the exact cost for both the carrots and the grapes. We haven't done any payment yet, but this is the exact cost. For the grapes, we have $3.72 times 4 from here. That's $14.88. So the final bill will be $7.41 plus $14.88. When you add those two together, you get $22.29. Now we do the rounding off. Because that's a 9, we round up, because 29 is closer to 30. So this is rounded up to $22.30, because you always have to go to the nearest 5 cents. So this video has given us a few examples where we can see how we can round off money, either up or down, to the nearest 5 cents, because many countries don't have 1 and 2 cents in circulation anymore, so that's the most convenient way to do it.